Alright guys, I wanted to go over a few problems with you. So we're going to do this one. I'm going to do this one, and this one. Okay. So all of this is algebra. So you should be familiar with these steps in algebra. I will go over a process with you in class. For the most part though, if you're going to do, it's like PEMDAS backwards. Right, except you're going to go this way. First you add and subtract, then you divide and multiply, then you do exponents and parentheses last. So let's do this first one. So this first one, we're going to solve for delta x. That means we want, see how this one is velocity in x direction equals delta x over t. So we want to solve for delta x. So we want delta x equals. So how do we do that? Well, we're going to start off, I'll work over here, delta x over t. So there's no addition or subtraction that I have to do first. So I'm going to move next to multiplication and division. So I want to move this t to the other side. So I do that by multiplying by t. Whatever I do on one side, I do on the other. So those cancel, right? And then I'm done pretty much. I got delta x equals velocity x times t. That's my answer. All right. So let's do this one down here. Acceleration equals velocity final minus velocity initial over time, and we're going to solve for VF. So we want VF equals, right? So we're going to start off this way, VF minus VI over T. So I want to get VF by itself. Well, the first thing that's happening is it's being divided by T. So I have to move the T to the other side first. So I multiply by T on this side, and whatever I do on this side of the equality sign, I have to do on this side. So I multiply by T. So those cancel. So now I have TA equals VF minus VI. So I want VF to be by itself, so I just got to move this VI to the other side. So I have to add a VI, right? Those cancel. So now I have my formula, VF equals, and you could write this either way, with VI plus TA is probably the standard way. And that's that for that problem. Next, we'll do this one. Let's see. So we want to solve for t, so we want t equals, right? So we're going to have delta y equals 1/2 at squared. So the first thing to do is multiply by 2. Oh wait, it says solve for t. Okay, so I want t by itself. So I'm going to get rid of this 2 first. So I'm going to multiply by 2, 2's cancel. So then I have a times t squared. So I'm going to divide by a on this side, divide by a on that side. So these a's cancel. So now I have t squared equals 2 delta y over a. So now I have a t squared. So how do I get rid of an exponent? I take a square root, right? So I take a square root of that, and whatever I do on this side, I got to do on the other side, square root. So I get t equals the square root of 2 delta y over a. And that's it. Those are the examples. With those examples, you should be able to get through the rest of these. It's the same process. You're just moving the variables around either by multiplying, dividing, and adding and subtracting. And you can ask questions during class.